Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming permissions. You need an admin role on the account or property. Once confirmed, export any data you must keep. Think raw reports, audiences, and user lists so nothing is lost. Make sure to document linked products like Google Ads and Search Console. Unlink later if necessary. Now open admin, locate the property you intend to delete, and prepare to access property settings. This establishes the starting point for the deletion process. You navigate into Admin and open Property Settings. Once there, choose Move to Trash Can or Delete Property depending on your GA version. Before confirming, unlink integrations and remove any external access so deletion doesn't break other accounts. Make sure you verify the property ID and double-check data retention settings because deletion schedules and recovery windows differ. Once you click Confirm, the property enters the trash for the allowed recovery period, so this action is reversible only for a limited time. You finalize by verifying the property is in trash can and scheduling any follow-up like tag cleanup or reassigning tracking to a new property. Once done, update stakeholders and remove deprecated tags in Tag Manager or Site Code to prevent broken tracking. If recovery is required, restore from trash can within the allowed window. Otherwise, the deletion becomes permanent. If deletion fails, try another admin account, clear browser cache, or use in
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.